or destroy properties. On the issue of fuel, is a global phenomenon. It is not unique to Kenya, Africa. It's there in Africa and the whole world. So it's nothing, it's not something only unique to Kenya. Due to global markets, forces beyond the control of a single country, the prices, global oil prices, global oil supply has reduced while demand remains high, pushing prices upwards. So fuel prices adjustments are driven by global geopolitical events. And these decisions cannot be solved through unlawful or riotous mob. Any attempt to block road, disrupt business, engage in violence will not lower the prices of fuel, but will instead harm the economy, endanger lives, and that will attract also the full force of the law. And that's why you are here. Global challenges due to that, as I said earlier, can it be solved through lawlessness, criminal act, or which are disguised as protests? These are criminal actions. What we have seen today are criminal actions. Through Wayaki Way, through Roysambu, through Godarai roundabout there, through Outering, Taj Mahal area, Donyo, and Dagoretti. Those are criminal acts which are disguised as protests. We will deal with them firmly, decisively within the law. And for now, the total damages we have